tower, the spine of the wind turbine, providing structural support and ensuring long-term reliable operation. We remain committed to an innovation-driven strategy and have independently developed the GTS Global Tower System full-stack technology platform, bringing energy output, safety, cost, and delivery into one integrated optimization. In short, each wind turbine tower can be customized for every specific wind farm, delivering greater safety, reliability, and adaptability. Hybrid towers are one of our most significant breakthroughs in recent years. Facing high wind shear and heavy loads, we conducted integrated simulations of turbine tower foundation, full-scale sample strength tests, high-frequency cyclic loading, and on-site dynamic measurements, completing full process verification of structural safety. Design alone is not enough. Manufacturing stability and consistency matter just as much. With self-owned factories and the implementation of full lifecycle quality management system, we bring every process into standardized, full lifecycle quality management control and transfer experience back into the supply chain to improve quality across the industry. To date, over 1,000 Envision hybrid towers have been delivered across multiple regions in China, covering diverse wind conditions, with zero major failures, demonstrating reliability and adaptability in the field. Segmental steel towers solve the challenge of oversized transportation. With on-site segment assembly, we expand wind deployment into more remote and complex regions. This product has also undergone rigorous validation, from materials and components to full system testing. Now, nearly 600 units are operating, with 4 years of zero-fault performance, internationally certified, and increasingly deployed across overseas projects, be it hybrid towers or segmental steel towers. Our commitment to our goal has always remained unwavering, to unlock more application scenarios and help turbines stand safe and spin steady.